Welcome to the Philips Indoor 360-degree Wi-Fi camera unboxing and installation guide. We are excited to help you turn your house into a safer home with our cutting-edge technology. Before we begin, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find the following items. 1. Philips Indoor 360-degree Smart Wi-Fi Camera, 1 adapter, 1 Quick Start Guide, 1 USB cable, 2 plugs, 2 screws, 1 mounting bracket, 1 mounting sticker. Before we dive into the setup process, let's ensure you have everything you need. Here's a quick checklist. First, make sure you have 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Second, have your Wi-Fi password ready. And lastly, ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you intend to connect your camera with. Now that you've checked off the basic requirements, let's download the Philips Home Safety app and get started with pairing your camera. Fill in the basic details that are asked. Tap on Add Device. Continue after checking all the requirements. Select the camera you want to connect. Connect your camera to a power source. Rotate the upper part of the camera by hand to find the reset button and press it for 5 seconds until the camera starts to beep. The LED will start to blink red when pairing mode is active. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. Scan the QR code by displaying it in front of the camera and wait for the beep. After you hear the beep, tap on I heard a beep and wait for your camera to get paired. Apart from viewing live events, you can also view recorded events by inserting an SD card. Now that you've paired your camera, it's time to install it physically. Here's how. Option 1. Connect your camera to a power source and place it on a flat surface. Option 2. Mount your camera to the ceiling using the screws given in the box. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Philips Smart Indoor 360-degree camera. Your home is now a safer place. Thank you for choosing Philips, and we hope you enjoy your new camera.